Have you ever wondered how to cultivate a bonsai tree with elegance? This miniature world of natural beauty is a testament to the harmony of nature and art. Cultivating these tiny trees is a practice steeped in patience, dedication, and creativity. It's about shaping and guiding, not merely planting and watering. It is a journey of discovery and exploration of the intricate dance between growth and restraint. Cultivating a bonsai tree is more than just a hobby. It's an art form that requires patience and care. The first step in cultivating a bonsai tree is selecting your tree. Consider the many types of bonsai, each with its own unique needs. The environment and your expertise level should shape your choice. Choose wisely, as the tree you select will become a long-term companion in your bonsai journey. Once you have your tree, it's time to plant and prune. Begin by placing a layer of gravel at the bottom of your pot for drainage. Then add a mix of soil that is rich in nutrients. Plant your bonsai, ensuring it's centered and upright. Now we move to pruning. This isn't just about size control, it's an art form. Trim away excessive growth, but always respect the tree's natural shape. Pruning is a delicate process, but with careful attention, your bonsai tree will flourish. Now the nurturing phase begins. Essential to your bonsai tree's prosperity is a regimen of careful watering, feeding, and lighting. Like any living thing, your bonsai thrives with regular care and attention. Watering is not a daily routine, but rather when the soil feels dry. Feed it with a balanced fertilizer, and remember, your bonsai loves light but not direct sunlight. Nurturing your bonsai tree is a rewarding process that fosters growth and beauty. Cultivating a bonsai tree is a journey of elegance and patience. This art form combines dedicated care, patient growth, and the artist's touch to create living sculptures. Remember, cultivating a bonsai tree is not just about growing a tree, it's about cultivating elegance and patience.